Hello and welcome to BCure Laser. I'm here to explain how to use your BCure Laser to effectively treat pain and inflammation. First of all, you should know that the BCure Laser is a medical device intended for home use that has been clinically proven to treat pain, inflammation and orthopedic conditions. And the best part is that it's suitable for the whole family. Let's start with the carry case. It's so convenient, you can take it anywhere, and of course, you can use it anytime. The user manual, very important. But actually, this video will provide you with all the information you'll need. A screwdriver. With the screwdriver, open the battery compartment, insert the rechargeable batteries and close the cover using the screwdriver. We recommend changing these batteries every 1.5 to 2 years. Of course, there's also a charger in the case. Connect it to your BCure Laser. To recharge the device every 2 or 3 days. We recommend leaving it to recharge overnight or until full appears on the screen. If you need to treat hard to reach areas like your back or just want to perform the treatment more conveniently, you can use the adjustable stand, which can be connected to a bed or a chair so you don't need to hold the device. Simply slide it into the mount and adjust the legs so it's at the right height for you. It's time to show you how the magic works. I'm switching on the device using the main power button and setting it to 6 minutes with the plus button. Every time I press the plus button, the timer increases by 30 seconds. You can also press the minus button to reduce the treatment by 30 seconds if you go too far. So I've set the device for a 6-minute treatment. Okay, now that we've set the treatment duration, we can activate the treatment mode. I'm pressing the long button on the left side of the device and then the round button at the same time, and then release them together. Now the device will operate automatically. Do you hear the beeps? Great. Every 3 seconds you'll hear a beep to confirm the device is still working. The timer will also be counting down and you'll see the green light on the device. You need to select the desired treatment point. Here, I'm placing the BCure Laser directly and gently on the skin without moving. If we apply pressure during the treatment, the device will switch itself off. So it's important to hold it lightly at a perpendicular angle to the treatment point without moving around. Once the timer reaches 0, you can set it another 6 minutes and start the treatment at the point in the same way. It's best to treat all desired treatment points at least twice a day. You should have received a brochure with your new device showing treatment areas so you can apply correctly to the recommended treatment points. Treating acute pain, a sudden injury or wound, tight muscle or burn can be treated directly using the full protocol of 6 minutes per treatment point. You can treat each point until the pain subsides, waiting 5 minutes between treatment applications. Treating chronic pain. When treating pain that has persisted for over a month, it is recommended to start with just 1.5 minutes for each point, waiting a few minutes after treatments. If the pain increases after the treatment, it means there is inflammation present. One of the main advantages of low-level laser technology is that it reduces inflammation, but if the pain increases, it is recommended to gradually increase the treatment duration. You'll treat once a day in the beginning and increase the treatment for 30 seconds every day after. So on the second day, you'll increase to 2 minutes per treatment point, and on the third day 2.5 minutes per treatment point, and so on, until the pain stops increasing. The inflammation has now been treated. It's very important to get to the 6 minutes treatment per point twice a day to ensure each point is treated thoroughly. When treating chronic pain, if you perform the first treatment of 1.5 minutes and there is no increased pain, then there is no need to gradually increase the duration as there is no inflammation present. You can immediately start with the full 6-minute treatment twice a day on each point. Even if the pain subsides, it is recommended to continue the treatment for at least 2 to 4 weeks to ensure that the treatment has been completed fully and thoroughly. Please note, there is no risk of overdose. If you have already performed 2 treatments in a day but wake up in the middle of the night with increased pain, you can perform a 3rd or 4th treatment on the same day without being concerned about an overdose or side effects. You can also perform 3 or more treatments in the same day if your schedule allows it. And that's it, everyone. Now you have an effective pain treatment device at home that can help the entire family. If you still have questions, feel free to contact us.